Hi everyone, this is Sam Creating the Heart, and I have a pretty large kind of random haul for you guys today. First, I wanted to talk about just a little recap on September from Simon Says Stamp. Now, I usually love September. There's a couple companies that I always make sure to buy from. This year, I didn't buy as much in some ways, even though now I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, I just still bought it quite a bit. The thing that kills you about September is if you don't buy some of these items right away, then they become unavailable because they're exclusive for September. Once they're sold out, they're sold out. And so, especially if you want to get the dies, and some of them, like these little pieces, really need the dies, and then you can't get them later if you want them. But you have to pay like $6.95 per thing shipping. So I bought each one of these separately. So I spent like $42 on shipping. So that's the only thing about September that totally blows that I wish they would do something about. I don't know what, but something. So just to recap, I think I did already haul this, but this is the Nutty or Nice from Lawn Fawn. It's super cute. And what's nice about Lawn Fawn stuff is it all goes together. So that's pretty cool. So I did get that one. And I take my dies out and I put them on a little thingy if they're loose. And I think these were loose. This one is Simon Says Stamp for Mama Elephant. And it's called Merry Mail. It's super cute. Some of these can be used year-round, I think. I mean, the elf and the Santa, maybe not, but the little presents, and I think it's cute. And I got the dies. Now, I know, was it Scrap Diva 29? Or, no, maybe it was Pinkalicious Scrapper. Janine. I think she was upset because she had bought the Greeting Farm one, and the dies did not come in a little envelope like they normally do. So it is kind of whatever that it didn't come that way. I don't think the Lawn Fawn did either. This one did. I did buy the Greeting Farm, and yes, it's true. They're all loose. It's fine for me because I'll put a magnet sheet in there if I can find one. Finding one is the key. This is super cute. It's called Winter is Here and has the two little people, the tree and all the little things that go with it. I really like that one. And then this one is really cute. And what's nice about both of these, is that they could be used really nicely for winter birthday cards, which is something I like to do. And this came with a little envelope with little dies in it. And this one is from, I want to say Neat and Tangled. And it's called Holiday Helpers. The other one I opted to get, I like the ones with critters on them. So all the floral stuff I didn't buy. This one sold out really quick. And I knew it was going to because it's super adorable. This one's called Lift Me Up. And it's a clearly besotted one. And I also got the dies. This one is just really, really cute. And so this is a year-round die, which I love. Or you can make it Christmassy. You could probably even make it Halloween. And then this one is a Halloween one, so I really need to try and use it before I put it away. And this was a waffle flower one, and I just thought it was really cute. And for one thing, I really enjoy the sentiments and the fonts for this. So it's just really, really cute. So I got that one. So that was my September recap. Then I was at Paper Source with my daughter. We went to Barnes & Noble, and right next door to the Barnes & Noble's Paper Source. And so she loves it because they have all these really cool, funny things. They had this like light up witch, and you pressed a button and the eyes light up and the arms like punch out. And she got that. So she thought that was awesome. And then last time she went, she got this finger that she would put on her finger. I don't know. But anyway, they had the Goodie Bag Guide die for 50% off. I broke down and got it because I want to try it out. I mean, I can make them without. I've shown you guys how to do it. You totally can do it, but it was $6.50 plus they gave me a 10% teacher discount. So I went ahead and I broke down and I got it because I haven't been able to see it at my Tuesday morning. So the other thing was I did an Amazon haul, and I forgot to show that I did buy, because this came separately, I did find the Maggie Holmes open book ephemera. Now what I realized is, it's all florals. What I realized is American Crafts has a digital site. So you can print and cut these digital things, but the print and cut on my Cricut is all messed up. It does not work for me at all. Even though it's like I have to reset it every time, so it's a big old pain in the butt. But these are really cute, even though I can make some of these because I do have the Maggie Holmes die. It is really nice to have them on hand if you're doing swaps and stuff. All right, so then I was waiting for an order. This is only one of 3 orders from Tupelo Designs. It was kind of late coming, but that's fine. It came So at least I can use some of this stuff. I wanted purple enamel dots for Halloween projects. So I actually got 2 different shades. Sorry, they put everything in this sort of cute little bag. So I got one that, I mean, in this light, they look like they're the same, but they're not. One is very glittery and one is very not glittery. If that makes any sense at all. This one is called Glitter Drops Purple Rain, and this one is called Crystal Drops Crushed Grape and Gloss. So in the light, they look very different. But I got those, and then I got this one, which is a glow drop. So it's supposed to glow in the dark. I have no idea how it even show you that works, but I guess I can test it and tell you that it works. And then I got this one, which is Rhubarb Crumble. And then this is not all the things that I got in my order. Let's see if there's anything in here that I want to show you. The other thing that I got that I really wanted, because they were having a little sale, that I'm so glad came in time to use it for Christmas, is because they were on sale, is this reverse confetti die. This is really nice. It has these 3 dies, which is a ghost, a bat, and the face of a pumpkin. So you can use, cut a circle and do it or whatever. It's a really nice size for projects. It's not too big, it's not too small, because some of the ghosts I have are all really tiny, or the faces are really small, or the bats are really tiny. So it's a really nice size. It's a reverse confetti die. So if you're looking for a good sized Halloween die, that's really nice. And then I broke down, and I did peachy cheap, and I got another flourish. I went through an entire paper pad of Bloom. So I went ahead and stocked up on that, as well as the ephemera, because it all came together. And then we got these stickers, which I like. And then these ones, which I just don't see myself using a floral letter. So this might go in a D-stash, because I am going to be doing a D-stash at some point before the end of the year, maybe even sooner, maybe by Black Friday, do a D-stash. Okay, so the last thing is an order from Not2Shabby shop. So I actually have another order coming from them as well. So they had a deal. If you spend $60, you got a free stamp. If you spent $25 in Doodlebug, you got a free Doodle Pop. I don't know which Doodle Pop it was that I got for free. I don't think. I did get these. I saw Lolly do some things with these. Super cute. The cards and envelopes. This is the pumpkin party. So I just like the idea of making something a different size. And then I got this one, which is the So Much Pun, because I do have So Much Pun coming from Tupelo Designs. At some point it will come. And then I got, let's see what I get. I got the new Christmas. This is Christmas Town, the 6x6. Super cute, classic Doodlebug. I got the odds and ends. And what's nice about the odds and ends is you can use it with any of your Christmas paper. I mean, it goes with any traditional Christmas paper. Same with the Chit Chats. Those are great for inside of cards. I got the Pumpkin Party, which I love. I may use very little of it. Just to use my Doodle Pops up. I might use a little bit of it, but I might just save it for next year, which is, I think, totally fine. I got the odds and ends, which are really, really cute. Look at all that you get. You get 117 die cut pieces, and those are just adorable. And then I got my favorite thing in the whole world that I'm going to actually use. I have them and I haven't really used them, so I'm going to use them. Let me show you all the little Doodle Pops that I got. Okay, so I got this one. Perfect for scrapbooks and cards. And it comes with these cute little enamel dots and a little pumpkin bag or whatever. And then I got this one. It's a little pumpkin girl. And then I think this is the free one. If you spent $25 in Doodlebug, you got a free Doodle Pop. And I think this is the free Doodle Pop. I thought that was really cute. And then I thought for a scene, like scene cards, like these would be just super cute, like in the background. So I got the enamel shape sprinkles, the snowflakes, and then the snowmen. So I think it's really, really cute. Oh, and I forgot. I also got the teeny tiny hearts. I debated whether to get those or not, but then I used the coupon code and I got a bunch of free stuff that it ended up being right where I needed it to be for free shipping with the little shape hearts. I love the size of them. And then last but not least, the freebie. The free was $60, was the Sunny Studio little stamp. It's called Here Comes Santa, which is super, super cute. I don't know if it has a die that goes with this or not, but it's really cute. I think it'd be very cute in a scene card with, Santa in the background or whatever. So anyway, that is my humongous, giant haul. I do have some more things coming, including an Echo Park warehouse box, which I'm not sure if I'm going to post that before this video or after this video, because it should be coming tomorrow, which is Wednesday in my world before I post this video. But when it's going to post, only cyberspace knows. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crank the Heart.